In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful and widely used tool for collaborative interface design, and knowing how to efficiently export images from your design is essential for sharing your work with others or integrating it into other projects. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Figma website. Make sure you have an account and log in if you aren't logged in already. Once you're on the Figma homepage and logged in, you'll find yourself in a place where all your recent projects and shared files are organized. This area is perfect for accessing all your ongoing design projects quickly. Now, before we get to the exporting part, navigate to the particular design file you're working on. You can usually find it under the Recents or the specific team file section if you're collaborating with others. Open the design file you wish to export from. This will bring up the primary interface where you do all your designing and editing. It's essential to be in the right workspace to ensure a smooth workflow. Once you're in your desired design file, locate the particular design element or image you want to export. Click on it to select it. You will know it's selected when you see that distinct blue bounding box around your element. Now, keeping that element selected, focus your attention on the right hand side of your screen. This is where the properties panel is located, showcasing various tools and options you use to enhance or modify your design. In the properties panel, look for the tab that says design. It's typical in Figma to have this selected as it's the default when working within design files. Underneath this tab, you should see various layers, effects, and transformation options related to the element you've selected. This is where we'll find our export settings. Now, move down to the section labeled Export. If you don't see it immediately, ensure the element is selected or simply scroll down within the pane. Click on Export to bring up the export settings. You'll see options that allow you to customize how you want to save your image. This includes selecting the file format, which usually defaults to PNG, but you can change it to JPEG, PDF, or even SVG depending on your needs. Decide on the format and any scaling options that are necessary for your project. You can export at different scales like 2x or 3x, which can be handy if you need high resolution images. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button. A prompt will appear allowing you to choose where to save your file on your computer. And that's it, you have successfully exported an image from Figma. By following these steps, you can easily share your creations with colleagues, incorporate them into presentations, or use them for other creative projects. I hope this guide helps you streamline your design workflow in Figma. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.